the weather's bad enough that it's time to break out the chains. So I'll show you how I do it. Lots of ways to do different types of chains. If you buy some, you should absolutely practice before you need it. So I made this little cover here, so I'm not kneeling in mud. These chains have this hook piece that goes through here. I drape it, make sure that these pointy teeth stick out. These are Titan chains. I just drape these. Okay. Then let's see, we're going to back up. So what I do is I back up on it about not quite half of a rotation. So watch that. The reason I did it that way, I don't like climbing underneath the vehicle. So this helps mitigate. So there is a hook in the back. Oh, so close. Let's see. Who's not giving up the stretch? I mean, they're touching, but they're just really hate climbing underneath the vehicle. But sometimes I guess you gotta do it. That's why I made this. Let's see, who's not being stretchy enough? There. So my chains are just the right length. There's not a lot of extra. Okay. And then you use one of these to tighten everything and keep even tension. I would say these are very important My first set of chains that I had for my Sequoia didn't require these, but it was a smaller tire, and they were very expensive. They connected with a cable. They were pretty nice, but with these tires, that kind of option wasn't available. So that's why you get these. And so what we'll do next is we're going to drive a little bit and then stop and check the fit. Okay? Don't forget your hat. All right, so we've got the chains on the truck and we've driven a little bit. Let's go out and check and see how they're doing, make sure they're staying on. Warm gloves necessary. Come along. That looks good. This is staying mostly centered. Everybody's nice and tight. This fixture nice and locked in. Let's see. The back one. Okay, that looks good. Can't see the mountain where I live because it's covered in snowing. Okay, let's go check the other. Looks all right, see? All nice and tight. That's that I'd like to evaluate. Oh, that's where there's this extra little space. Let's see. Yep. So, sorry about that. Okay, so what I'm checking is to make sure that all of the teeth are facing in the right direction. This one I don't like as much. This whole thing is kind of pulling it in. I'm wondering if I should shorten that a little bit. Let me put you on hold, and I'm going to shorten that chain a little. Alright, so this is that one that I tightened. It was on this ring and it was pretty saggy, so I moved it up a couple rings, and you can see everybody's facing, all the teeth are facing out nice. There. So, since I've readjusted that, I'm gonna drive just a little bit and check it again. Also, you'll want to do a check from under here and take a look at those insides. Make sure that they're in a good spot. Let me get a little closer. Make sure that they are balanced on your tires. All right, looks good. Let's roll.